Hola clase, vamos a repasar el verbo gustar. You're going to have your Gustar quiz tomorrow, so I wanted to review the sheet that was handed out to you today in the computer lab. Let's look with number 1. ¿Qué te fascina? And in parentheses is jugar los videojuegos. Okay, how would I answer that? So first of all, I have to look to see what I'm doing. Jugar los videojuegos. Uh-oh, I see an action here, jugar. And it's in its infinitive form. So I know that fascina is going to have to be in the singular form. So what's my formula for writing out these sentences? It's the clarifier first. So a mí me. Okay, I'm doing this for you so you guys, this is what you're going to do on the test. You're going to put your formula out. A mí, me, in this spot is your me, te, le, les, nos. And I know it's talking to me because it's saying que te fascina. It's asking me a question. A mí me fascina. And this is the place where either the action or the items go here. Jugar los videojuegos. And that's off the screen for you. Okay? A mí me fascina jugar los videojuegos. Let's go to number 2. ¿Qué le gusta a usted? It's saying usted. Are they talking about that man over there? Who are they talking about? When a question says usted, they're asking you, and they're using the formal term. So I need to answer it with a mí, me, okay? So we start out again with our formula. Let's erase this. My clarifier, a mí, and remember with the me and the te, you don't always have to use the clarifier. I'm one of those teachers, I use the clarifier, but it's not wrong if you don't use it. A mí me gusta, singular, gusta. And why singular gusta? Because it's La Casa Blanca. And La Casa Blanca is singular. So my gusta will be singular. A mí me gusta la Casa Blanca. All right, let's do number 3. ¿Qué le interesa a Juan? And in parentheses it has los deportes. My mind immediately says, oh, los deportes. There's no action verb, and it's a plural thing. Los deportes. Okay, I'm going to get my formula ready. And this time I have to use a clarifier because I'm talking about Juan. And I need to let people know that I'm talking about Juan. So, a Juan le gustan because it's los deportes. Los deportes. A Juan le gustan los deportes. The deportes and the gustan is what's matching. Okay? A Juan le gustan los deportes. How about number 4? Let's do number 4. ¿Qué les gusta a ustedes? Here's another tricky one. When it says ustedes, it's asking about me, all of us. And your answer should be a nosotros answer, a we answer. It's not ustedes as in all of them over there. It's we. It's asking me and my fellow friends or whoever I'm with. ¿Qué les gusta a ustedes? First thing I'm going to do is look at the parentheses. Las galletas dulces. They're plural. What does that tell me? And there's no action verb. I am going to conjugate gustar in the gustan form. Now I go to my formula. Nos. And you don't necessarily need to use a clarifier with this one because we know who we are. There's no other we. Nos gustan las galletas dulces, right? Nos gustan las galletas dulces. Las galletas are plural. My gustan will have the an ending. Nos gustan las galletas dulces. Number 5, last one. ¿Qué les fastidia a ellos? Now that's asking, what's bothering them? ¿Qué les fastidia a ellos? I'm going to look in my parentheses. Hacer los ejercicios. I have an action verb, but I also have something plural, los ejercicios. Senora Janie, which one do I use? I'm not sure. Would it be gustan? Because it's los ejercicios. And why not? Because hacer is there. There's an action verb. You have to use gusta. Let's try it. A ellos. So I'm going to put that in as a clarifier. A ellos les gusta, singular gusta, hacer los ejercicios. Okay, I realize you can't see out off the end of the screen. I was looking up at my screen, but you don't need to see that. A ellos, my clarifier. Let's see if I can adjust the board a little bit. A ellos les gusta hacer los ejercicios. So I'm not matching los ejercicios to the gustar verb. I'm matching the action, hacer. So it becomes gusta. Okay? So remember, when you are conjugating these gustar and like words, and they could be, gustar, fascinar, molestar, fastidiar, all these words. It's a formula, and you have to get your brain into thinking in that formula. Clarifier, a mí, a ti, a él, a ellos, a Juan. You can put one in there. The ones you have to use clarifiers for is like to them or to him, because we don't know which them or him you're talking about. So after our clarifier, we have our me, te, le, nos, les. Okay, that comes next, and you need to pick who are we talking about, who's answering the question, who are they addressing in the question. Don't get tripped up by the usted and the ustedes. The next part we have our gustar verb. Okay? And you need to think, is it going to be a singular gusta or is it going to be gustan? And that will tell you by what's next. And what's next, I'm going to erase this. What's next is what's in the parentheses. You need to look in the parentheses. Does it have a verb, an action verb, followed by even some plural things? Los juguetes. And always, I get students that say, but los juguetes, it's gustan. Not if I have an action verb here. Not if there's jugar. Or comprar. Let's do comprar, that's better. Okay? Let's say, a mí me gusta comprar los juguetes. I had to use gusta because there's a verb here. So there's a rhythm to figuring this out. And if you follow the formula, you guys are going to do beautifully. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck on the quiz. Bye.